Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 760 model. It's used and it works great. I got the boxes actually from a 780, but that doesn't really matter because the Roomba itself is a 760. So we got the two virtual walls here, auto virtual walls. They're never been used and they're in excellent condition. The charger's almost like new. The dock itself is like new also. So get a closer look at those. And the charger. And docking station. Alrighty. And here we got the 760 model. Also including the side brush here. A brand new side brush. So there's all the stuff it comes with. Charger, side brush, the docking station, and two auto virtual walls. Alrighty. So here we got the 760 model right here. That's in great condition, and it's not hardly been used. It's a pretty new model. Works great. The battery lasts like 2 hours or maybe a little more. So basically I'll just show you a couple things around it. There's tiny little scratches right there, just blemishes. So as you can see from the pictures here or from video. If you want to get more details, just look at the pictures. Now here you go. That's what you see, what you get. In great condition. Basically, flip it over here. So we got side brush right here, the front wheel caster right here. Everything's like new almost. So clean filters. The HEPA filters are clean. Everything's been disinfected and cleaned out. So there you have it. Here's 760 model. If you guys notice some pink paint on my fingers, I was doing some ink on my printer last night. And apparently I got some ink on myself. But anyways, this is what you get. Nice condition 760 model. And I'll show you, it works great. Like I said, it's used. It's almost like new. It works great. Here you go, I'll show you how it works. Alright. So it works great. And it's ready for sale. Thanks for watching.